This portable bank charger shows up looking like the kind of power bank that means business. Look how small this is. Compact, solid, and clearly built to charge everything from your iPhone 17 to your Samsung S25 without breaking a sweat. This is a built-in USB-C cable. It's the real star. No more digging through bags. You grab it, plug it in, and you're done. The 45-watt fast charge output delivers legit speed. Phones, tablets, earbuds, everything jumps up in battery percentage faster than most wall chargers. It has the digital display, makes it easy to see exactly how much power you have left. And that's the power button. It is strong enough to charge multiple devices in one trip, flight, or long day out. Final verdict. This power bank is a travel essential. I'm giving these to everybody I know. I always need a charge. My daughters always need a charge. Between the fast charging, the built-in cable, the big battery capacity, this one keeps every device you own alive without hunting for outlets. If you want one power bank that handles everything, this is the one. This is a sponsored review.